thinking about shopping from Helmorra store, you're probably wondering whether it's actually worth your money or just another online store making big promises. I took a closer look at Helmorra store, and in this video, I'll walk you through what I found so you can decide if it's the right place to shop. First, let's talk about the website itself. Helmorra store has a clean and modern design that's easy to browse. The products are well organized, and the overall shopping experience feels straightforward. That's always a good first impression, but as we all know, a nice-looking website doesn't automatically mean it's trustworthy. One thing I noticed is that the store offers a variety of products at prices that seem competitive. Some of the deals can look pretty attractive, especially if you're comparing them to larger online retailers. However, if you come across discounts that seem unusually generous, it's always a good idea to compare prices elsewhere before making a purchase. When it comes to product information, some listings provide decent descriptions, while others could use a bit more detail. I always recommend checking the specifications carefully so you know exactly what you're ordering. If customer reviews are available for a product, take a few minutes to read both the positive and negative feedback to get a balanced picture. Another important factor is customer service. Before buying from any online store, I like to see whether they provide clear contact information, return policies, and shipping details. Having these details readily available gives buyers a little more confidence if something goes wrong with their order. Shipping times and delivery experiences can vary depending on where you live and what you're ordering. That's why it's worth reviewing the estimated delivery times before checking out, especially if you need something by a certain date. As for trustworthiness, I always suggest doing a little research beyond the store's website. Look for independent customer reviews, check social media discussions, and see what other shoppers have experienced. No online store is perfect, but consistent complaints about missing orders, poor communication, or refund issues should definitely be taken seriously. So, is Helmorra store worth your money? I'd say it depends on what you're buying and how much research you're willing to do beforehand. The website appears professionally designed and offers a range of products, but like with any online retailer you're unfamiliar with, it's smart to be cautious. Start with a smaller purchase if you're trying the store for the first time, and always pay using a secure payment method that offers buyer protection. Overall, I wouldn't say Helmorra store is automatically a store to avoid, but I also wouldn't recommend shopping blindly without doing your homework. Taking a few extra minutes to verify reviews and compare prices can help you avoid disappointment. If you've already shopped with Helmorra store, I'd love to hear about your experience. Leave a comment below and let everyone know how it went. Your feedback could help other shoppers make a more informed decision.